Welcome to the Market Update. My name is Jessica Amir and today is my first day as a market analyst for Bell Direct. So thank you so much for your company. I'm looking forward to sharing my insights with you on the markets and hearing from you as well. But today let's talk about the market. The Aussie share market today saw its biggest one-day gain in a month as the RBA cut its cash rate by 0.25% as expected, which takes the headline cash rate to now be 0.75%. That's a new historical low. It also follows the interest rate cuts that we saw in June and July. On top of that, we also had positive leads from the get-go over on Wall Street as US equities rallied on trade war fears easing. Today, the benchmark S&P ASX 200 gained 0.81% or about 55 points, with yesterday's fall of about 0.4% being seen as a buying opportunity. Now the market, or the benchmark S&P ASX 200, is about 1.9% away from the all-time high that we hit in late July. And this year, the market is already up a massive 21%. Today, the healthcare sector and industrials led the charge, leading most sectors high today. We saw aerial imaging company Nearmap, ticker code NEA, their shares jumped about 2%. Sydney Airports also echoed about the same tune, playing up about 2%. The only drag on the market today was the energy sector after the oil price slipped overnight, losing about 3% on Saudi Arabia's better than expected lift in supplies. It really comes after the region was attacked by a drone. The attack was upon the world's largest processing facility last month. Today, in the discretionary sector, online jackpot and lottery business Jumbo Interactive, ticker code JIN, they're continuing to see their own lottery. Their shares closed over 6% higher today, with the company recently making its way into the ASX top 200. In other news, Nufarm is continuing its rally as well, closing today up over 15%, extending yesterday's gain of 27%. The agricultural chemical company has been upgraded to a buy or outperform by three major analysts. Overnight on Wall Street, as we mentioned, it rose on Monday, with the tech sector up the most, 0.8%, as Apple shares surged over 2%. On JP Morgan, an analyst there expecting the tech giant shares to jump 20% on better than expected iPhone sales over the next 12 months, now setting a price target of $265. Meantime, we saw the S&P 500 close 0.5% higher, while the Dow followed 0.4% higher. The US Treasury said it also won't be considering blocking Chinese companies from listing on the US stock exchanges. And that's it for now. Until tomorrow, have a great evening.